So hi there. So today we have a shower head and it's supposed to be for couples. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we got in the box here. And by couples I mean that it has two heads to use the water. So I will show that to you momentarily after we get all the pipes out of here. And we have a flexible hose. It is sealed on both ends. I don't want to lose the little cap that's on it. Put that back on. It's always good to keep everything together until you use it. We've got one in there, and it is a plastic, smells like rubber hose. We have one shower head, and it looks like we have multiple different selections on it. And we have another shower head, exactly the same. All right, and then we have two flanges that go along with it. We have another pipe that goes along with it. And we have a converter that goes from single, so it'd be a single coming out of your current shower head and then splits off to two. And it does come with several of the O-rings that you would need or gaskets for that. Save water. Anyways, and we have this. Now that is pretty, that's interesting. And of course it gives us some Teflon tape and a couple more. Oh, these are actually screens so that you can make sure that you protect your stuff from getting sediment in it. And we'll go ahead and show you what it looks like all assembled. Let me show you what I've got going on here. So what we have, this is the main pipes. They just connect together and you have one main one here that you can actually swivel around and of course up and down however you'd like. On the end is actually a spring pressure piece that this goes onto the end of, and that's what squeezes up against the wall like a curtain rod. So now what I've noticed is they don't tell you exactly how many of these things to use. So you can adjust this to however big your shower is, and then on the other end is a solid piece, unlike the other side that has the spring on it. And it also has an end piece that goes on that has some rubber on it to help stick to the wall. So what you have this piece here that connects to your regular shower head. And then of course you can adjust this where my pinky is. That has a valve that can shut this one and turn this one on. Or you can have just this one. So you could literally have two people showering at one time underneath this. And you could have that go straight down onto the person. And again, that is, it swivels, so you can put it however you want, and of course it has the multiple different sprays. And again, you can adjust this one if I wanted to. Alright, so now if I just twist this end over here, I can literally twist this into place to fit the area. Now if I want to, I can bring it down, twist it a little bit more than what I had before, then I can push it up. And it can be up there. So now I can take this and spin this around. If I wanted to spray this down here like that, or like this, or if I wanted to bring this up like this and turn it around, I can do that. So, and this one would connect directly to here. So there it is.